Hey guys, this is Daniel. I'm in my car here for a change, 2016 Chrysler 200, and I absolutely love the car. I drive it quite a bit, and I'm in and out of the car all the time. I spend 3, 4, 5 hours sometimes in it. So with my phone running out of juice because I use the GPS a lot and social media as well, I was looking for a different solution. Rather than plugging it in, I thought about why not wireless charging. I have a wireless charger on my nightstand and a wireless charger at the office. So I went on Mopar's website and I find a wireless charger for $250. My wireless chargers at home, they only cost me $20 or $25. Why is Mopar's $250? I thought it's absolutely ridiculous. So I set out and I found this. This is probably the thinnest wireless charger. And I'm gonna go ahead and install it in my car. Let's see how it works. So this is where it's going to plug in. We're gonna pass it right through here into this center console. So we're gonna remove this cover to give it a nice factory hidden look. So the charger is gonna go right in here. This is where I like to keep it, so it's easily accessible and I can keep an eye on it even while I'm driving. Looks like there's nothing even there. Let's close it up and let's see if the phone charges. All right, let's try it out. There we go. And right here, that's where it's gonna be. Let's pop it on here and it's charging. Let's see this again. I don't think it was sharp. Right here, and it's charging. This is absolutely great, and it still looks like factory. Let me see if I can get some more light into this. Unless you know it, you wouldn't know that there's a charger hidden underneath it. And it's charging. Works beautiful. Wow guys, I can't believe how easy this was. A $20 solution. It took me 1 minute to get it installed. I can't believe Mopar charges $250 for their solution, and it's crude. It doesn't look as elegant as this. Here you can't even see you have it. I absolutely love it. It's very clean. Go out there and do it. I'll put the link in the description. If you like the video, go ahead, subscribe, or hit the like button. Send me questions or comments. I'll definitely answer. I appreciate anything you guys do. Thank you so much. I hope you go and do it. Don't spend the extra money. I'll see you next time. Take care.